You just go ahead and ride. Come on, go ride.
Oh my God!
See, I'm not even pedaling.
I realize this is who I am now.
Whoa. Be
I
careful.
figured out who I am now.
Just be careful. Try not pedaling. There you go. Just coast. You don't have to pedal for a long time, okay? Just coast. You don't have to pedal. Just ride. Just ride it. Enjoy the ride.
I know
You're good.
who
Got it.
I know who I am now. This is who I am.
What about me? Who am I? Whoa. You gonna catch up with me? You gotta catch up with me. Now don't run me over.
I finally know for all these 7 years. I know who I am.
You know who you. Okay. You figured it out.
I'm a bike rider.
Uh-huh. See how easy was that? That was really easy, correct? Right. See, you got it. You're doing good.
Your white pieces on your bike is distracting. What makes it interesting about bikes
What do you mean?
for you? I mean like roads. That's what I mean.
What makes it interesting?
Yeah.
I don't know. I mean, it's faster than walking, and it's also faster than running. So, I mean, that has its pluses. Huh? Hey, what are you doing? Girl, you going? You got to pay attention, Bailey, what you're doing. You would have ran off. That's a long drop.
That wasn't on purpose.
You got to be careful. Yeah. Okay, now push down hard when you start. You got to kick off, Bailey. No, you just can't. Yeah, roll it uphill, because you're on a hill. We're on an incline.
Gladys.
You have to push off with your foot. Try pushing off.
How do I do that?
You don't know how to do that.
I think you do like.
See that? See how you got that? See how you got that boost when you stood up?
Yeah.
That's how you do it. That's how you do it. Pay attention. Look where you're going. Stay straight. Keep it in the road. All right, there you go. Good job. Look where you're going. Don't look at me. That's how you gonna wreck. Huh?
I'm gonna wreck.
All right, you're gonna go in the water. You better pay attention.
I don't want to wreck.
Well, you better pay attention.
I coasted.
Well, we're going uphill, so you better pedal. Okay? Pedal. Going uphill. Pedal. We're almost at the top. Come on. You can do it.
Are we to the top yet?
Almost. Okay, we're at the top. This is like the top.
Coasting time.
Are we going all the way to the end? Or we're going to just go right here and turn around and go back?
We're gonna go all the way to the end and then turn around.
And come back? Okay. You got it. That's it.
I'm doing it.
Put your muscles into it. got it.
Press down. Hard. There's gonna be like. Daddy, get your brakes ready.
Hey, how you doing? All right, good.
I'm gonna make the speed bump.
You thought you were gonna jump over there? That would have been a good one. If you could have actually done it. Yeah. Squirrel.
Hey, that's my line. Now I can't. It's my head.
You can't do what?
Never mind.
Tired?
My legs need to work.
Time for us to turn around?
Daddy,
Huh?
I think when we think we can't do anymore, we should encourage each other like, do it! Just do it!
Well, we're at the end now. We'll turn around and go back to the house. Woo!
Mommy used to say to me, we're gonna go to baby house.
We're going where?
Mommy used to say, we're gonna go to baby's house. Why do you have tissue in your ear?
Because it hurts.
Daddy, get in your ear.
Almost wrecked.